Thank you for returning to Wealthy Coin. The following week, SHIB's popularity will explode. Just recently, the premiere date for Shoreham was announced. Latest updates on Shibanius and independent ecology is slowly taking shape in Shiba Inu, a men's coin initiative that has been running for 2 years. In this video, we'll discuss how the doc-themed coin's success could greatly accelerate the adoption of cryptocurrencies. SHIB will skyrocket in value next week. Just recently, the premiere date for Shoreham was announced. If you like today's Shiba Inu news, please click the like button. Please subscribe and like the channel to see our latest Shiba videos. Without further ado, let's begin the video. In upwards forecasts and professional evaluations, Shiba Inu, while the present cryptocurrency winner may be hitting its price hard, it has not affected its most recent effort to broaden its ecosystem. The team responsible for creating the Shiba Inu metaverse came clean about tech trench. Wednesday, the team announced on their blog that they had set out to build an immersive experience at the Tech Trench Hub that would trace the evolution of specific technologies from their inception in antiquity all the way up to the present day's hyper-technological society. This piece of art is a conceptual rendering of its future metaverse. Reading this blog post from Hub allows one to gain a deeper understanding of cultural assurance while also learning from the inventive and courageous journey. The SHIB community and its initiative have endured by working together with a leading visualization studio. For everyone who come to shape the future of decentralized ecosystems and educational foundations, the third-floor hub at TTF will preserve and showcase cultural learning opportunities. The hub has architectural ideas from more than 6 different places across the globe, as shown in the monochrome pictures. These places include the Rolex Learning Center in Switzerland, Time and Wine University, the Geek Cocoon Tower in Japan, as well as Yale and Princeton. A business called Lefrog has been developing multiple initiatives to connect with the Sabari metaverse and Shiba Inu, and the most recent announcement happens to coincide with their progress. The Sabari metaverse, which was unveiled in March of this year, will serve as the virtual apex of the community's past. Scenic Dunes, a new piece of concept art that would serve as an oasis, was released this week by the team, showcasing a gigantically shaped setting of an exciting and contemporary location, replete with glittering buildings and refreshing waterways concurrently. SHIB developers have made disclosures that have piqued investors' interest, but the price of SHIB has stayed low due to the crypto contagion. The ecosystem's principal developer, Shoshi Kusama, has recently acknowledged his concentration on Shoreham and dropped hints about an unnamed but possibly bullish milestone, the approval of which is currently underway. I may ramp up my efforts, allowing the rubble to reveal itself as the tide of truth and kindness sweeps the globe. On Twitter, Kusama hinted at some major developments about Shoreham and the Shiba Eternity 2 smartphone game. Despite a late October resurgence, Rabbit Hole continues to deepen. The top meme token's price has fallen by around 12% in the past week, but with the market cooling and the Shoreham launch coming up, it's possible that prices may go back up. To get ready for the inevitable economic downturn, considering SHIB's recent 1.27% drop, it would be a good idea to buy it at its current price of 0.000912, the psychological level at 0.001, 000 was broken, thus you will find hundreds of different companies. Even if there was still some distance, the move accelerated even more during the week. In the wake of the summer's Luna stable coin fiasco, Shibu price is likely to have poor performance. The abrupt default of FTX, while the digital asset class was still shaky on its basis, gave traders a taste of that situation all over again. Payments and withdrawals were temporarily suspended by Genesis, a prominent cryptocurrency broker, following the incident. In the next weeks, traders should be mindful that 0.00507 is a distinct possibility and might set a new multi-year low. Because of the negative associations and sentiments associated with the name SHIB, it is not in a good position. Once everything settles down, this will be the last dip for SHIB traders who have lost money in the FTX meltdown. If the FTX pandemic is limited, the Shibu price will fall further lower, reaching 0.00507 before trying and hitting new lows. The Relative Strength Index RSI is about to bounce higher from its current position of oversold, so this makes sense. It appears that the Shiba Inu price has the potential to break through the monthly S1 support level, settle around 0.000010, and then continue to rise with the help of other positive factors. A sense of belonging is crucial to SHIB's development, whether they're demanding its listing on Robinhood or planning to put it as payment at McDonald's. According to Axe's head of research and strategy, Ben Ken, instead of just ignoring the buzz, What we are witnessing is the influx of inexperienced traders into the cryptocurrency market, and this must be understood. He went on to say that SHIB currency is a vicious coin that fully embraces its Ethereum platform, employs the P consensus mechanism for now proof of work, and will switch to PO as proof of stake in the future. As SHIB has grown, the community has rallied behind it. The future of the currency will also be affected by the impending Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. To be sure, analysts aren't always up to snuff when it comes to predicting major events like political or environmental crises, so it's crucial to keep that in mind when you're trying to get their market predictions. Individuals should conduct their own due diligence before putting their money into any cryptocurrency, but particularly a SHIB due to its extreme volatility. For instance, according to Chainly Blockspot, specialists have researched SHIB pricing and market volatility and have forecasted that the price might range between 0.00000Z 0.00183 to 0.548, keeping the average price of the SHIB at 0.04335 that year might result in a return on investment of 3,122%. Tellen concurred, noting that 2025 has the potential to see a record high price for SHIB coins, according to some cryptocurrency specialists. Despite their expectations of using up enough tokens this year, they remain pessimistic about a price hike in 2022. They predict that the range of SHIB prices will be between 0.00000009839 and 0.1928, with an average price of around 0.152. The head of SHIB's new ecosystem development, T. According to his Twitter bio, Shoshi Kusama is totally devoted to Sharon. The mysterious programmer finally gave the SHIB army what they'd been waiting for all along on Wednesday night. There was approval for the fundamental design. Furthermore, Mr. Kusama has declared that the time to double down is now. To put it simply, Sharon is the truth and love that are currently sweeping the globe. Shibari, a Layer 2 solution first tested on Shiba Eternity, is now being evaluated by the SHIB developers. The release date of this collectible card game is October 6, 2022. Shoshi just penned Shiba Eternity's official player's guide, which clocks in over 1,100 pages. The smartphone version of the wildly popular card game lays the groundwork for future Shoshinfs, even though the blockchain version is still in the works. The SHIB development team, on the other hand, is also working on Sharon. Also, SHIB, Memcoin's Web 3.0 initiative, exists. Furthermore, the Metaverse is collaborating with the Third Floor TEF to build Eternity, one of PlaySide Studios' 3 planned projects that powers the LAR2 update. We are developing SHIB in conjunction with SFund. Hashtag Sharam is able to operate thanks to SFund Exchange and Eternal hashtag SHIB for Ashwell Friends, virtual reality. SHIBs are expected to have a potential return on investment ROI of $2,878 per SHIB in 2030, according to an article in the Shangla blog. The post states that the average price of a SHIB is $0,030,921, with a range of $0.35,649 to $0.35,649 to $0.29,857. SHIB prices are likely to increase in the next years. For instance, there's a common misconception that cryptocurrency adoption will increase if users use all of their tokens. Thus, Memcoin has to build a wide range of applications. We will wrap that up today. Approve it while you're at it. Please subscribe and like the channel to see our latest videos.